Wash and peel your singkamas and set in a water bath. Cut your peeled singkamas into thick strips, like so. Soak in water for 1 hour to soften, after which, drain all the water. So after we've soaked our singkamas, we're going to add 1/2 cup of rock salt. And we're just going to mix that up. So while that's happening, we're going to do our brine. Start a flame. Pour in your 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of datong puti white vinegar. So once your sugar has dissolved, get 3 packs of your whole black pepper. In the market, it will come out like this. So for each singkamas that you peeled, use 1 pack. So I peeled 3 singkamas. I'm going to use 3 packs. And bring your mixture to a boil. So now that our brine is boiling, I'm going to turn off the flame. And I'm going to line up our jar right here with all the singkamas. So now your jar is filled with singkamas. Now we just have to wait for our brine to cool down. And then we pour it over and refrigerate for 1 to 2 days to get your Burong Singkamas. So now that your brine has cooled down, it's time to pour it inside the jar with the singkamas. And then seal and refrigerate for 1 to 2 days and you have your Burong Singkamas.